I will now show you the full setup how to use Alpha 1 bot with expert option. So basically what I do, here you can choose between real and demo. So for example, if you want demo, you just push demo up here and you push demo and you are on demo account. And when you want to go back to real, you go just to real, you choose real here and then into real. Then of course the next step, you want to choose which type of indicator asset you want to use. So in this case, you see all this is 88, so we can basically just leave it where it is. But for this case, let's choose euro against dollar. So there, now we are on, and you put here select asset, of course. Then we are moved over to euro against dollar. Afterwards, you choose which time of auto close you want, which type of trades you want. So if you want higher time frames, you can choose that here. Choose whatever you want. I keep it at 30 seconds because the video, it's easier and faster to make this type of videos. When you have done all that, you can just push up in the menu again and bring down your bot. So then here you choose the amount that you want to trade. In this video we'll take $90 trades. Let's take a couple of trades. So let's set $150 as a profit target. When I use martingale, you can turn on off martingale here. That is completely up to you. I like to use martingale. As you can see, I have a good balance, so I have a space for that. So I will put like 2.2 and 5 steps I think is good. This buy sell is just for you to test if you want to, because you have buy sell down here, so there's no need for that. But it's this button you need to start and stop the bot. Here you have many different strategies. I suggest you test them a little on demo account and on different time frames and find out what basically works best for you. In this case I will just use the first one. And here of course you can follow your stats, and here you have the possibility to reset your stats. So now we just need to start the bot and that's it. So now we start the bot. He will now start to collect all the information he needs from the chart. Afterward, everything he needs from the indicator that you're using. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube, and make sure you use the promo code so you get 150% on your first deposit. So you can see now we are deep in the money with the first trade, and we can go a little down, and here we can follow the trades, by the way. So now you can see that was a win. We have 100% win rate for now, and we have a $79 profit. He now will start to look for a new trade. So now we just need to wait. He's taking now a buy trade, looks like, yes. So now we just need to wait the 30 seconds. And if that turned into a loss, he will then use the martingale strategy that he set, and he will go in again. And maybe we'll see that now. No, don't looks like it, because this bot have a very high win rate, so it's not so often we see that. Actually, let's see now. Maybe we are looking at the martingale. That trade did go in zero, so we basically did not lose and we did not win. So, but for that we got one more trade, so that is nice. So now we need just to wait for this one. And like I said, if you lose it, he will use martingale to get out of the trade. So till now we still have our 100% win rate, because we the last one we got was a draw. So now let's see, you see here's the line, and it's going deep in the money. Like I said, this bot have amazing win rate. And just like that, we made $158 and we reached our target that we set for 150. So make sure you also like this video, help me out with that, and if you have any question, put them below the video in X and YouTube. I reply to every single question you have. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on next.